anyone really know how to love? Does anyone really feel what they dreamt of? Or is it all a puzzle maze, but we never actually walk out the other side? We go round and round and round, taking wrong turns and clinging to the edges of ourselves. What is this thing that we call love? What is this thing that I dreamt of? What is this thing with such a rush? What is this thing that we call love? What is love? What is love? You think you felt it all, but then it hits. A comet from above crashes into your lips. And suddenly you find yourself thinking of things you never thought of before. And something in you changes. You can't think of anything else apart from the person that left a rose by your door. What is this thing that we call love? What is this thing that I dreamt of? What is this thing with such a rush? What is this thing that we call love? What is 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 this thing that we call love? What is this thing that I dreamt of? What is this thing with such a rush? What is this thing that we call love? What is this thing that we call love? What is this thing that we call love? Kids are driving Saturday afternoon just passed me by, and I'm just savoring familiar sights. We shared some history, this town and I can't stop that long forgotten feeling of her. Time to book a room to stay tonight. Number one is to find some friends to say you're doing well. After all this time, you boys look just the same. Number two is the happy hour at one of two hotels. Settle into play, do you remember so and so? Number three is never say her name. Oh, the flame trees will blind the weary driver, and there's nothing else could set fire to this town. There's no change, there's no pace. Everything within its place just makes it harder to believe that she won't be around. But oh, who needs that sentimental bullshit anyway? Takes more than just a memory to make me cry. And I'm happy just to sit at a table with old friends and see which one of us can tell the biggest lies. And there's a girl just